Tesla, one of the best inventors that ever lived, creating the alternating current known as AC, which is the starting current of the world today. Tesla was an inventor, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, and best known for his contribution for the modern alternating current known as AC in the electrical supply system. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10th, 1856 in the Austrian Empire. He attended Charles University in Europe. After attending the university, he moved to Budapest to work for a telephone company, the Budapest Telephone Exchange. After working the telephone exchange, he arrived in America with only 4 cents in his pocket and a letter of recommendation from his boss. And the letter of recommendation was from Charles Batchelor, a former employer of Thomas Edison. It is said that Batchelor wrote, "I know two great men in the world, and you're one of them. The other man that's in front of you is the other one." Edison hired Tesla to work for his Edison Mechanical Works. Tesla worked for Edison, began as a simple electrical engineer, and quickly progressed to solving some of the company's most difficult problems. In 1885, Tesla claimed that he could redesign Edison's generators and motors, making improvement in both service and economy. In 1886, Tesla formed his own company, Tesla Electrical Lighting and Manufacturing. The company installed electrical arc lights based illumination system designed by Tesla, and also had a design for dyno electrical machines. The inventors disagreed and eventually fired him, leaving him penniless. Tesla was forced to work as a ditch digger, gaining $2 a day. He created the AC current is basically better than the DC current, because the DC current you had to station a powerhouse every 2 miles, so it will travel longer distances. Instead of the AC, you had the electron just moving back and forth, and it was cheaper and more practical than installing a bigger wire and the CDs, and that's why the AC current is known as today as the standard of the world. Tesla also created the wireless remote. Mainly is is in your TV controls, in your remote control cars, and everywhere. Basically, so a receiver and a transmitter that receives a signal, so you can control an airplane, a remote control car, or anything. He also he also created the fluorescent light, which is it's better than the standard light bulb that Edison created back ago, something like this. The the fluorescent light is cooler and it doesn't heat up as much and wastes much energy, less energy than the standard light bulb. Inside the fluorescent light, there's gases. When electrical comes in, there's gases that light up the bulb and it creates a better, brighter light than the standard light bulb. Most of the appliances today has most of the appliances today also Tesla was looking into the X-rays and the and X-rays, but he was also working on a Tesla coil. The Tesla coil is basically uh, getting the electrical of your socket from a 120 volt and converting it into a higher voltage. This created the wireless electricity, which was much better, but he didn't have the funds to build a bigger model than the than the one he built. that created much electricity and could supply the whole world, just creating these towers instead of just of running your cables in your house. Hopefully you have learned something about today, and thank you.